And now the blanket game for Sheila. There's the hippo. I'm going to cover it. Jersey, stay. Sheila, okay. Sheila, go. Go find it. Jersey patiently waiting. Good girl. Go find it, Sheila. Work on it. Where is it? Go get it. Go get it. Where is it? Go find it. Where is it? Go find it. Go find it. Almost? Good girl, Jersey. Do you have it? Find it, Sheila. Dig it out. Get it. Where is it? You got it? All right! She got it. Good girl.